Opening shot of Lalbagh Fort with dramatic music in the background. Voiceover. Welcome to Lalbagh Fort, a timeless monument that holds the secrets of Bangladesh's rich history. In this video, we'll explore the hidden stories behind this magnificent structure and discover why it's a must-visit destination for history buffs and travelers alike. Cut to a shot of the fort's main entrance. Voiceover. Lalbagh Fort is located in the heart of Dhaka and was built in the 17th century by Prince Muhammad Azam, the third son of Emperor Aurangzeb. The construction of the fort was left incomplete due to a series of unfortunate events, but it still stands strong as a testament to the Mughal architectural style. Cut to a shot of the fort's interior. Voiceover. As you walk through the fort's corridors and rooms, you'll notice the intricate carvings and decorations that adorn the walls and ceilings. These designs reflect the Mughal influence on Bengali art and culture. Cut to a shot of the fort's mosque. Voiceover. One of the most striking features of Lalbagh Fort is its beautiful mosque, which has a unique blend of Mughal and traditional Bengali architecture. The mosque is still used for prayers today and is a testament to the enduring legacy of the Mughal Empire in Bangladesh. Cut to a shot of the fort's museum. Voiceover. If you're interested in learning more about the history of Lalbagh Fort, be sure to visit the on-site museum. Here, you'll find a collection of artifacts and exhibits that shed light on the fort's past, including weapons, pottery, and even a replica of the original plan of the fort. Cut to a shot of visitors exploring the fort. Voiceover. Lalbagh Fort is more than just a historical monument, it's a living testament to Bangladesh's rich cultural heritage. Whether you're a history buff or simply looking for an immersive cultural experience, a visit to Lalbagh Fort is a must. Closing shot of Lalbagh Fort. Voiceover. Thanks for joining us on this journey to uncover the secrets of Lalbagh Fort. We hope to see you soon at this timeless monument of Bangladesh's rich history. More information. Lalbagh Fort is one of the most significant historical landmarks in Bangladesh, and its name literally translates to Red Garden in English. The fort is situated on the banks of the Buriganga River and is surrounded by a lush green garden that provides a serene atmosphere amidst the bustling city of Dhaka. The construction of Lalbagh Fort began in 1678 under the direction of Prince Muhammad Azam, who was the son of Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. However, the fort remained incomplete due to a series of political and personal turmoil that beset the Mughal Empire in the early 18th century. Despite the fort's incomplete state, it still boasts of several impressive structures that reflect the grandeur of Mughal architecture. Visitors can explore the fort's three main structures, the Diwan-i-Am, the Diwan-i-Khas, and the mosque, and marvel at the intricate carvings, domes, and arches that adorn them. The Diwan-i-Am was the public audience hall, where the prince would meet with his subjects and hear their grievances. The Diwan-i-Khas, on the other hand, was the private audience hall, where the prince would conduct business with his advisors and other officials. The fort's mosque is one of its most beautiful and well-preserved structures, and it reflects the fusion of Mughal and Bengali architectural styles. The mosque features three domes, minarets, and beautiful floral motifs that are carved into the walls and pillars. Aside from the fort's historical and architectural significance, it also serves as a popular destination for cultural events and festivals. Many cultural programs, including music and dance performances, are held in the fort's open-air theater and courtyard throughout the year. In conclusion, Lalbagh Fort is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in Bangladesh's rich history and culture. Its unique blend of Mughal and Bengali architecture, stunning decorations, and serene gardens make it a true gem in the heart of Dhaka.